Hello and welcome to Helicopter Training Videos. In this short video we're going to talk about a new SAIB or Special Airworthiness Information Bulletin for the R44 Raven 1 and Raven 2. So the FAA has issued a new Special Airworthiness Information Bulletin or SAIB. For those of you that are new to SAIBs, they are non-regulatory. They are published by the FAA to provide guidance and recommendations for airworthiness concerns that haven't quite yet reached the unsafe conditions that would trigger a Airworthiness Directive or an AD. You can find more information on SAIBs and search for SAIBs on the FAA's website. I'll put a link in the description. This SAIB, which is called 2024-5, is targeted at owners, operators, and maintenance personnel to look at potential loosening of the Gearmotor assembly, or called the Gearmotor, on the belt tension actuators, which is another way of saying the Gearmotor for the clutch. So a quick bit of background here. The FAA received reports of loose gear motors on R44 helicopters from both domestic and international operators, and their investigation determined that the cause was out-of-spec internal screws and potential missing thread lock in some gear motors that left the manufacturer. Now, Robinson has been on this since September of 2023, when they updated their R44 maintenance manual to include gear motor assembly torque stripe verification in the 100-hour or annual inspection procedures. They also released an R44 service bulletin, SB 115, back in October of 23, requiring a one-time verification of the gear motor security and then the application of a torque stripe for future visual inspections. You can see here this is taken from that one-time inspection, and you can see how it indicates how to check for the movement and then how to apply that torque stripe. So for pilots, just make sure that you're seeing that torque stripe, that you're checking the security and integrity of the gear motor. And if you don't have that torque stripe on your R44, speak to your maintenance personnel, point them in the direction of the service bulletin and the SAIB.
If you want more helicopter training videos, check out our helicopter ground school series or the helicopter flight maneuver series, or perhaps you want to follow along with a student from day one all the way through to their check ride with our full flight lesson series. And if you haven't already, please click subscribe to get all the latest videos and help promote the channel. And finally, for more information on helicopter training videos, including articles, resources, quizzes and more, and learn how to support this volunteer project, check out our website, helicoptertrainingvideos.com. Thanks for watching.